Hello, my name is Lina Maria Calvache Ramirez. I am a student Bachelor of Foreign Languages. I am in third semester, and this video is talking about of the speech, sounds, and semantics. So the phonetics is the science of linguistics that studies the production and perception of the sounds of language with respect to their physical manifestations. Its main branches are articulatory phonetics, acoustic phonetics, and auditory or perceptual phonetics. And some examples. And the first example is the T, future, century, lecture. The comparison with Spanish similar to the sound of the Spanish T. With G, good, got, growth. Similar to the sound of the Spanish G. Phonology. Phonology is the discipline of linguistics that studies the sound systems of languages in general, and each language in particular, including syllables, intonation, states, etc., and abstract or mental level. Phonology is complementary, therefore, to the phonics, which studies Spanish sounds in themselves, from the acoustic, articulatory, and perceptual point of view, and is a form length depend in each particular languages. This is a top the alphabet in English and the symbol for the letter. This is all, and thank you for your attention. Bye bye.